If you're on this video, it is because you love makeup as much as I do. Hopefully you do, because you're on the right channel, because we talk about beauty, fashion, and all that fun stuff. So you're in the right spot. And today we are going to be talking about a foundation that I've been wearing for about 15 years. I got introduced with this foundation when I used to model many months ago. Gotta tell you, this foundation have changed my life. Stay tuned. We are gonna be playing with makeup, the application, and we are not stopping there because we are gonna be finishing with the right powder. We are going to be doing some basic contouring. And enjoy this video. Grab a cup of coffee, grab a Red Bull, margarita, favorite cocktail, and enjoy the video. Just relax and let's spend some time together. What's up, mi gente? This is Georgie Miller and welcome to the Fashion Beauty in the Mix. So in today's video, again, we are gonna be talking about my favorite foundation by Lancome. It is called Teint Idole Ultra. It is oil-free, transfer resistant, especially if you wear light color clothing, if you like to wear whites. Transfer resistant foundation, I think is a must-have. So I'm gonna do one side of my face with my fingers, and in the other side, I'm going to be using a foundation brush. Definitely, if you're gonna be using your hands to apply your foundation, common sense, sanitize your hands, make sure that they're clean. I use 220 Buff C. Put a little bit on the back of my hand. So I didn't go old-fashioned way, dot, dot, dot. Okay. And I'm applying it with my fingers. So you can see how natural already. I mean, it looks fantastic. It's like your second skin. That's how foundation should wear. It should look like your second skin. So the more you kind of blend, the better. This is not cakey at all. Very light and it blends beautifully. So when you apply with your fingers, another thing that I like to do is tap afterwards. So this is a very good technique. When you apply with your fingers, just tap it in and look how beautiful. It looks very nice. Not rocket science. Here I'm using Christian Dior foundation brush. It is synthetic hair and it is fantastic, by the way. Love that. Also, Lancome has obviously foundation brushes if you want to stay within the brand. If you're looking for a good mirror for your bathroom or your vanity, this Simplehuman one, hello, awesome. It is so good. Honestly, I don't see much of a difference between one side and the other. You can do your fingers, you can do with your foundation brush, and it blends beautifully. Doesn't cake at all. It will not cake, it will not crease, it will not crack. So you can do either or. I will give it 10 out of 10 with a foundation brush, 10 out of 10 with fingers. There's not much of a difference. If you want more coverage, you can just apply a little bit more. You can use a beauty blender and press, and it will give you a little more a full coverage effect. I don't have a beauty blender because I don't know. I think absorbs a lot of foundation. And I feel that I run out super quick when I use a beauty blender. So I'd rather use a foundation brush or my fingers. It comes in 50 shades. Wow. 50 shades of gray. That is fantastic. It is oil-free, fragrance-free, transfer-free, long wear, and it's buildable. There you go, and it's SPF 15. To do next, it is conceal. I am using Sisley. No, it is pricey, very expensive, but very good. And it comes with the brush. I think it comes in a set like this, if I'm not mistaken. About a year or so ago, or a year and a half. So it lasts a long time, and it is very creamy, and I love it. And the reason that I love it, it is because it's very lightweight and it doesn't cake. When you apply anything under your eyes, please tap. Don't pull, because you are damaging your skin under your eyes. This is a good technique if you haven't had a chance to actually do your brows. You will hide the hairs a little bit, so it's kind of cool. I like to go over the brow. I'm using to set the makeup translucent powder by Nars. It's called Crystal. Really makes everything look finished and flawless. A good tip, I would say, if you want to pop your eyes a little bit more without having a harsh eyeliner, use a green color or dark blue color eyeliner and do it on the top of your lash line. So this is green, and what I like to do is go like this. And the fun thing, it does not look green. My eyes are green hazel, so when I do this, my eyes pop a little bit more. And I like doing that. Not at the bottom, just at the top of the lash line. So it looks a little bit more natural, and it makes your eyes pop a little bit more. For contouring, let's start with the nose first. I wish my nose would be a little bit slimmer. This is by Tom Ford. Love Tom Ford brushes. So I'm gonna use this to do my nose. I'm using Guerlain bronzing powder. Line on the side of the nose. Gonna blend backwards a little bit. Easy. See, right in the center. And I like to do almost like a tree, like this, between the brows, like that. You blend. And a good technique for any makeup is a good blending process. Get body size brush. This is also by Guerlain makeup brush. This is a natural hair. The thing with natural hair, they tend to shred a little bit, but it will do the work. So actually natural hair tends to be more expensive. All right, so when you contour, you see what I'm doing? Go here, you go down here, and you do like a V, and down here by your jawline. Of course, I have hair on my face, so it's not as needed. But if you don't, you just do this. It's like a 3 here and here. Okay, remember a 3 here, here, and here. A 3. I'm gonna do it again. Here and here. Again. 3. Easy. Just like that. Very basic contouring. If you wanna pop a little bit more, what you do is you mark more where you want to contour. I'm using again Tom Ford. You see? So think about a V or a 3. So like this, and if you don't have facial hair, you go like that. Here's my bone. You're gonna feel it. You do a line back, and then like that. So like a V, see? Da. You can do one inside there as well. Again, you wanna gently pad. So if you're a guy, if you have a beard, you do the V. If you don't have a beard, you do a 3. Again, ladies, you do a 3 as well. If you're a bearded lady, then you do the V. I like to do a little bit of blush. So guys, you don't have to do this. Girls, don't forget your blush. Now the way to apply your blush, there are different ways you can apply it based on your facial structure. I like to go from like here back, almost like over the bronzer, like here. I can do this in less than 10 minutes, including contouring, foundation application, all of that. So if you want to look good for the day and you have 10 minutes in the morning before you go to work, before you head somewhere, this with practice makes perfect. Very simple. Recap a little bit more so you remember all these steps. You use your serum, moisturizer. That's a non-negotiable. You should be doing that morning and night. So after you finish that, then you go and apply your foundation. I recommend Teint Idole Ultra by Lancome because it is 24-hour wear. It will not crack, it will not transfer on your clothes, and it wears beautifully. Concealer, up to you which concealer you want to wear. I like lightweight concealers, almost like it feels like liquidy, like serum. So you tap it in, apply that. Powder, setting powder. Oh gosh. I didn't see it well. And after that, then you'll be ready for doing some contouring. That's totally optional. I use Guerlain's bronzing powder. Again, remember the V shape or the 3, number 3, either or. Just remember those two letter and number. You touch to feel where's your bone, and use a highlighter. This is very easy. Just put a little bit, tap it in, finish with a little bit of blush, lip balm, and you're ready to rock the day. That's it. Simple, simple, simple. I think we're done. Now you can click out. Goodbye. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial video. Appreciate all your support. And I want to build a community that is going to be safe, that is going to be friendly. I love making friends, so please comment on my videos. I would love to hear from all of you. If you have any more specific questions and details about makeup application, if you want to know more about any specific brands or application techniques, we'll see you next week again here on this channel, or maybe this week. I don't know yet if I'm gonna be able to make another video, but if I do, I will see you very soon. And have an amazing day. Keep loving, don't spread hate, keep it positive, and enjoy what you do. And support one another, and watch videos that inspire you, read books that uplift you, and give a helping hand to whoever is in need. You never know, and it doesn't mean that you have to give money, but a nice word, a hug will make a big difference in someone else's life. So thank you again. I appreciate you so much, and I will see you in the next episode of Fashion Beauty in the Mix. Have a lovely day, and see you next time. Bye now. This is it for sure. I think now I got it all, just get everything perfectly square, and my head was getting chopped, and oh, what a mess. But this is it. I'm tired already. Whew. At least I love doing these videos. I love it. And I love connecting with you guys too, so.